on the stairs too, Daddy?
Sure.
Can I have help?
Sure.
Buggy, 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 buggy.
Peter. Peter. Psst. Oh, keep holding on. Good. Good job for not letting go, Ella. Good job. See, trust yourself because you didn't let go, right?
Daddy, can you help me?
That's what your arms are for, right?
Daddy, can you help me?
Yeah, I'm helping you. I help you.
Daddy! Daddy!
You can do it.
I'm almost gonna fall.
Pull yourself up. Pull yourself up. No, you won't fall because you trust yourself, right?
I did it! I did it!
Good job. Ooh, look at this crazy slide, huh?
Look, I'm gonna throw the stick down, okay? Gonna throw it down.
Okay, go ahead.
See?
Chase the stick.
No, don't taste it.
Chase the stick. Woo, that's a cool slide. I think Jerry would like to try that slide.
Well, can he?
Yeah, we'll try it.
Can Jerry